Good morning. I just want to share this quick moment that I had as I read Matthew 7 verse 14, where Jesus reminds us that the road that He wants us to choose is the straight and narrow road, and it's only a few that find it. And immediately it comes to mind, like it's like a planning machine that you use to shave the wood till it's smooth. And like that's why the narrow road is there. It's just like that needle that the camel goes through that the Lord is speaking about. Because they say that arch in Jerusalem is just broad enough for a camel to go through without any stuff on it. So only the camel can go through there. And I believe that's why the road is straight and narrow, to plane everything down so that only the real you can go through to the other side. No things attached. So I hope and pray this encourage you and reminds you why life is sometimes so difficult for us that have choose to walk in this straight and narrow way. Because the Lord is busy planning everything away from us, taking all of those ways we thought we must live, the way that we think we must walk. The Lord wants to take that away, and He wants us to follow in Jesus' footsteps and do His will for His kingdom. That's why He said through Samuel to Saul, obedience is better than sacrifice. And I believe that's what's going to carry us through till the end, is our obedience and our faith, because that's the works that I believe that we must do. Is like He said to them that when they ask Him, what is the work that we must do? Then He said, our faith. So I believe if we walk faithfully, we will be obedient to Him and do His will out of the love of our heart for Him. So I hope and pray this has encouraged you. Stay strong, stay focused, stay blessed. But most of all, remember, there's a blessed hope. And we're looking forward to the blessed hope, the soon return of our great God and Savior, Jesus Christ the Messiah.